welcome to my soapy kitchen. Ha ha ha. We got some fun stuff here. Let's see what arrived at VAT 3R8. All right. If you're not living your life with a little spice, carefully live your life with a little spice. Go out and do that. Carefully. All right. Let's see. It sounds like we've got some glassware in here, which is good because I always need more containers. Ooh, okay. So, this is something I ordered for my Sugar Shine. So if you haven't seen the Sugar Shine video, these are some of the things that I use. This will be going directly into my freezer, the yeast. It's good for a year. So super fast, and you literally can hear this stuff fizzing for days. Between day 2 and day 5, you're like, what's making that sound in my kitchen? And that's just doing like a gallon. So to make a liter of alcohol for, a vodka quality alcohol, or about a pint of alcohol for hand sanitizers, because you have to distill it twice to get a higher rating. And you also have to filter it. Now you filter it so that you get rid of the poisons, although it is kind of a denaturing. Oh, there's something else in here I didn't even order. Oh, honey mead. They sent me some bonuses. They sent me some flavorings. So I guess that's for making, like, oh, how sweet. What a nice thing to do. I know I didn't order these essences, but that was really nice of them. I was trying to figure out why there was more stuff in here. Distiller's caramel. Okay, so I wonder if they'll work for scent. Oh, that's for color. That'll definitely give me color if I want color. Oh, that is too funny. That is too funny. So I can make a whiskey. Here's the smoke essence. And this is Liquor Quick. Let me put my glasses back on. Grappa. Let's see what that smells like. I might be able to use it in some other things for flavor. But honey mead, I actually do make mead, so maybe I can boost the flavor. Ooh, that smells amazing. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to definitely use that in some kind of soap. That is like true honey scent. That's really cool. I've not seen that in fragrance oils. Like, that actually smells like honey. Most fragrance oils smell too floral. It's a delicious golden nectar made from fermented honey. So yeah, that's why it is so true. So we've got a natural honey flavoring. I could put this in a lip balm. I can make whiskey lip balm. And then distiller's caramel. I think this caramel is a colorant. So it's to give it that. That's funny. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm just making Sugar Shine for my soap. Alright, enjoy this. Please click like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but thank you. This was an extra $10 or $15, $20 worth of sweetness. Thank you guys. Bye for now. This is, if you want to order in Canada, this is Still Spirits, I believe. Let's see the name of the company. Does it say on the box? I just did a thing for Brewers Direct in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Thank you, Brewers Direct. Wow, found a wonderful little bonus. You guys are just as awesome as my soap company and all the other soapers that I've bought from. That was a really fun surprise. Thank you. Bye for now.